Hello students, good morning. In this video series, we are going to see about financial accounting, the basic financial accounting, basic concepts of accounting. Okay, first we are going to see about what is accounting. Accounting is a process of recording, classifying, analyzing, and interpreting the business transaction, which can be measured in the terms of money. The accounting equation forms a foundation of double entry bookkeeping. It states that asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. First of all, you all know about bookkeeping. What does mean by bookkeeping? Bookkeeping means the list that day-to-day transaction of the shops will be recorded in one book and maintained in one book. That is called as an bookkeeping. Accounting helps in knowing the true financial position of the business. Accounting provides all valid financial information to the owner, banker, customer, government and other outside parties to make a correct decision. Accurate basic accounting. Accurate basic accounting recognize the revenue and expenses when they earned incurred regardless of when cash is exchanges. This method is accurate in many companies. Then entity concept. The business is treated as a separate entity from its owner. Person transaction, a personal transaction of owner, it may be a personal or a drawings with drawings. Personal transaction of the owners is not mixed in business transaction. What are the business transaction is held, that alone will be entered in the business transactions. Then process of accounting. First of all, what we happen now, first business transaction, journal entries, ledger accounts, trial balance and financial accounting. Business transaction, first we have to analyze what the transaction is held in the business. After that, we have golden rules of accounting: debit the receiver, credit the giver, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, debit all income and expenses, credit all expenses and losses. With this golden rule, we will form the journal entries. After that, ledger account will be open, separate for each account, real, personal and nominal account. Separate ledger account will be open. After that, the trial balance means both the debit and credit side will be same. After trial balance, we will finalize the final accounts. Final accounts will have the trading and profit and loss account to analyze the gross profit or gross loss. After that, trading account, profit or loss account will be prepared to know the net profit and net loss of the business. After that, balance sheet. This is the basic accounting process that each company has to follow. Okay, next we are going to see about the basic terms of accounting. Assets are the resources owned and controlled by the business enterprises, right? Example: land, machinery, furniture, cash, bank balance, stock, etc. These are the some assets. Okay, while we categorizing the assets, many assets will be that: fixed asset, current assets and investment. Fixed assets are those assets that will be fixed. It may be like a land, machinery. We can't take and move that assets. Such asset will be comes under the category of fixed asset. Then current asset. Current asset will means the currently the business will have some asset. Such assets are called as in current assets. Investments means the business will invest in some property through the business profit. What are the profit that the company acquire, that will be invested in some other investment. After that, they will manage through that. Then it will be helpful for the business. Such a that's called as an investment. So we are going to see about what is fixed asset. Fixed assets are assets purchased for a long period, that is more than a 1 year. Example: land, building, plant and machinery, vehicles, furniture, office equipments, etc. These assets forms a basic infrastructure of the company. These assets are not held for sale. Okay, next we are going to see about a current asset. Current asset, the asset are required to carry on day-to-day business activities: inventories, raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, etc., cash balance, bank balance, debtors and receivable. Then next we are going to see about the investment. When a business enterprises put its surplus fund in a share or a bond of the government, it is known as an investment. Investment generates an income in form of interest on dividend, etc. In next video we are going to see about next terms.